7, Wildfire!
We all have those days where we just don't want to wake up, or even the air in the room holds you down. And there are days where you beg the universe for any hint of a sign, just something to let you know that you're even remotely close to the right path. The kind of days where you doubt who you are and where you are or where you're even going. You anxiously retrace all your steps, wondering where the hell you went wrong. And where was that place that all those lines became blurred and the rope forked like a serpent's tongue, convincing you that you didn't even know yourself from Adam? Was it there that you split off onto the wrong course? Now, had you taken the other road, you'd likely be in much better shape, right? Or better yet, maybe the world wouldn't have fallen apart like it has. Maybe all the right pieces would have been in all the right places. And maybe you'd have found yourself, instead of losing your hope like an old love note you kept locked inside a dust-covered box under the floorboards. Yeah, that sounds pretty good right about now. We could all use a little faith in ourselves. We deserve that, don't we? Don't we? Let me tell you, I've stared into the dark and I've watched its lonely eyes look right back at me. And I won't lie to you, they pierce the soul no less than a sharp knife on a fresh piece of flesh. And it whispers into your ears into the silence of the night, just hoping that for a second you'll forget what it is you are. So hear me, my friends. Don't listen. It's a trap to think that you are not the infinite. Wake up. You deserve that. You are human. You're alive. Wake up. You're a wildfire. Burn bright. Burn bright. Burn bright.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give up a big round of applause for all of our dancers.